Good afternoon, it's time to plant our Ampalaya, which we started a week ago. Yeah, still warm. And we had 3 sorts of Ampalaya here. Let's rewind and I'll show you how I prepared them a week ago. As we've earlier said, we have 3 sorts: the locally grown, the native, and the commercially available. The second now, and the exotic, which I got from the Philippines. It's grown in tropical conditions. We are using but 6 out of each sort, and let's see the germination rate. What's the best among these 3? This is the most difficult seed to germinate, so we have to help it. We have to soften the shell by immersing it in hot water overnight. It should not scald you. It should still hot enough, but not enough to burn you or to scald you. To soften the shell, let's label them. And the next day, this is what we did. Moisten or wet tissue paper or kitchen paper, kitchen towel to be exact, and rub the seeds. It's better to do this than directly sowing them in soil. We don't know which seeds germinate. With this method, we can see and pick out those that successfully germinate, and then put it in a sealable plastic or container. It doesn't have to be a plastic bag, but it should be sealed. Let's do the second. It is the commercially available. Let's do the same into a plastic bag. And the labels. We've done the 3. I did not show you all. And into a container. Yeah. We'll put it somewhere warm, just like body temperature. And the perfect place is on top of the modem. Warm, but not very hot. Amplifier, no, that can be hot. The first is the commercial, and it's a local variety, which is commercially distributed and available, I should say, commercially available. And after a week, this is what it has become. Look, thanks to the warm temperature of the modem, which is similar in level to that of body temperature. Look, perfect. And we will plant them here in small pots. I won't plant them directly in the ground, it's still too cold, so they need TLC indoors. Indoors, not even in the greenhouse, indoors. How many, by the way? There were 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 over 6. For the 60% germination. Not bad. It's a 60, 4 over 6. Yeah, almost. No, I'm not good in math, but that's high rate of germination. Where are they? We have to label this later. Where's the last? This. It's difficult to detach from the paper, so I'll... Oh no, it's there. It's been detached. It was here. This is not used. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 seedlings. I'm going to label them. This is the commercial, locally available. or the local variety, commercially sourced. I will label them. So let's write commercial, local commercial, LC. Yan. These are popsicle sticks, which I'm repurposing as a plant label. Very cheap. Yeah. Better than plastic. Okay. Done with the first variety. We'll put them here to avoid mixing them with the rest. So that was four germination over 6 seeds. 4 over 6. Now the exotic, which I brought from the Philippines. These are the kinds of ampalaya that grow in Thailand, in the Philippines, and in more tropical conditions. Let's check what's the germination rate. I'm just curious. This for this year. Oh. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Also 4. But it took longer time. Look. This hasn't sprouted yet totally. This is just beginning to show roots. It did take longer. Why? I think they need higher temperature because of their because of their variety. They are from the more tropical regions. Nevertheless, we can put them here now in the ground. This is even alive, I'm not sure. This is alive. So we have 4. Let's label them the exotic, commercial exotic. Just E, exotic. Yeah, exotic. E. What's this? That was not germinated. E. So 4 over 6 also. Not bad. But delayed, not totally germinated yet. I won't finish this on camera. I'll just show you the native, meaning the seeds which were gathered from our garden, born on this part of the globe. So they're used to this condition. That's my hope. And that's my belief. Oh, look, since they are native, they are used to colder conditions. How would I open this? There were 6, remember? And what's our germination rate? Not just a rate, but look, it's more advanced. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5. So look, the local, flat local. Why? Because look, they germinate easier, they germinate earlier, and they have higher rate of germination. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5. 5 over 6. I won't calculate. I'll get embarrassed with my mathematics. The light is not good at that area, so I'd like to say thank you from here. I'll see you again during the planting of this Ampalaya seedlings. And I'd like to see you again on our other videos as we grow, cook, and share here on Romulo's Kitchen and Garden.